Hello friends, so is your oil pressure warning light on and your engine acting a little strange? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0521, it means your engine oil pressure sensor is not reading correctly. In this video, I'll explain what P0521 means, its symptoms, where you can find the sensor, and how you can fix it. Let's get started. Alright, so let's talk about the most common causes of that P0521 code. First up, a faulty oil pressure sensor. This little guy can provide inaccurate or fluctuating readings. Next, a dirty or clogged oil filter. When the filter gets blocked, it can reduce oil flow and mess with those pressure readings. Then, there's low or contaminated engine oil. Using old or incorrect oil really affects the sensor's performance. Wiring or connector issues are another culprit. Damaged wires can cause the sensor to send out incorrect readings. And finally, though it's pretty rare, a faulty oil pump can result in low oil pressure. Now, how do you actually fix P0521? Let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0521 code. Step 2. Check the oil level and quality top it off, or change it if you need to. Step 3. Inspect the oil pressure sensor and replace it if it's faulty or damaged. Step 4. Check all the wiring and connectors. Look for anything loose, corroded, or broken. Step 5. Change out the oil filter, since a clogged filter can definitely affect oil pressure. And finally, Step 6. Reset the code and take your car for a test drive to see if the issue comes back. So, the P0521 code is usually caused by a failing oil pressure sensor wiring issues or just old engine oil. Fixing it quickly is super important, because it can help you prevent major engine damage down the road. If you're looking for more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0286, Cylinder 9 Injector Circuit Low, and P0287, Cylinder 9 Injector Circuit High. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.